Hi there. So real quick, I wanted to tell you what I've been up to. I recently have been working on a portraits collection. I'm always trying to build my skills and blah, 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 blah. Two of the paintings that I painted, Girl in the Hat 1 and Girl in the Hat 2, came out pretty cute. I liked them. So what I like to do sometimes is digitize my physical paintings and then digitally enhance them and turn them into NFTs. So that's what I did. I did 58 NFTs utilizing different digital techniques, and I'm uploading those, currently in the process of uploading those. I've got 21 of them uploaded to OpenSea, and I have 58 of them total, and I'm hoping that somebody would buy my NFTs, get the whole party rolling there. That would be really great. And yeah, so that's what I've been doing. If you're interested in digital art or digitizing and manipulating your own physical pieces of artwork, I do have a class all about the tools that I use to scan my artwork and digitize them. It's called Digital Art, a Modern Approach. Anyway, you can check those classes out. They're on sale for $10 each at classes.brendaknoll.com, and you can download the classes and watch them as many times as you want. Hey,